Okay, folks, just a recap on yesterday's live trading room, which was the 30th of January. And we did get a trade in the room yesterday, so let's just go through remember this is the trade plan. So this is basically what we're looking to trade before the market even opens. And it provides some analysis also to help your own trading as well, if you're trading outside of the live trading room. So just generally we were saying that above 73.90 still quite bullish, but we have got a key level today at 74.20, and we were yesterday, actually the previous day, so the 29th of January, we had a buy. Actually, we were looking to buy near 7440, targeting 7530, stop below 73.90. I'd said it triggered, but I wanted people to come out at entry if seen, as I favor a move towards 7200 and first, and then a big rally upwards. So watch 74.20 as if the FTSE is really actually very bullish. This level should hold after the open. So that 7420 level, quite important yesterday. Short-term direction also confirmed, positive above 7420, but negative below. And these levels are quite important because we were using them yesterday in the live trading room. And then we were saying, let me just move this down. Let me actually just take that out for you. Then the 5-minute bar was, I hadn't decided if I was going to use that or not pre-market. Spikes, I like to spike down to 13 points for a buy of 13 points, and also a spike up of 26 points was good to go. And the closing gap I deemed as not likely to fill yesterday. So let's look at the price action. Okay, so the open on the FTSE was here. This is a 5-minute chart, and we opened at 18. So we did actually get a 13-point spike down. We got in basically at 7406, but then I basically cut it very quickly actually, because I didn't like the price action. So we came out for a 2-point loss. So we're in and out very quickly, and I wanted basically just to see what happened around the 74.20 level. So we came out of the spike for a very small loss, but then we said actually the 5-minute bar was good to go. Either way, either a break up or a breakdown. The 5-minute bar broke up, and we targeted up towards the 74.50 area. So let me just get out of this. So this is the 5-minute bar. We always get in 2 points above the 5-minute bar. So around the 74.20 area is where we were looking to get into this, and we were targeting up towards 74.50. Now the reason I took this was because the market had spiked down into S3, which is actually a pivot level, which is actually the shield trade for our whale program, and also so it basically 7406 was down here, and that's why I basically came out of this one, because the spike, because it basically hit this, didn't really react, then started to push lower. So I basically came out of the trade for a small loss, and then I remember a lot of people then just hang on to a trade. They don't want to accept they're wrong. But the correct mindset is basically the view to think, well, I can come out with a very small loss and then wait for a stronger signal to just get back in again, which is exactly what we did with the 5-minute bar. So the 5-minute bar, we'd seen this 7406 level recover, and of course on the report we were bullish above 7420. So as long as it held 7420, which it had, if this 5-minute bar broke up, it had been a spike below it. So I was happy to get in and target all the way back up to 74.50. So that was a nice winning trade yesterday on the 5-minute bar. on the back of that one. And you'll also notice that our sell trades, from the previous day, we told you to come out at entry if you were if you bought the market on the 29th of January towards 74.40 to come out at entry. So that also we came out at entry, and then of course the market all came off. And if we held on to that trade, we would have been stopped at 73.90. So we came out of that one as well and avoided an unnecessary loss. Then we obviously saw a weak session on the FTSE. It moved all the way down to 73.50, which is a bit of a support area, and it closed at 7380. And overnight, it's pushed up on the back of some Amazon results in America. So it'll be interesting to see again what happens to this 7420 level. But we could well actually see the gap fill today on FTSE. So we'll keep an eye on that one. All right, that's a review on the FTSE. Hopefully you found that useful.